Hello, in this video we'll see how to add a model to our app, okay? Because in the previous video what we did this node row, but yeah, the problem we have in this node row is that we cannot change this title, okay? Let's say I call this node row, okay? If I call it 2 times, I will have exactly the same title and the same description, but we don't want that, okay? Every time we call this node row, what we want to provide the title and we also want to provide the description, okay? So what we can do in order to fix this, we can come back here, and here we can simply create a node model, okay? So if I do a right click here, new file, it's going to be a Swift file. What I can do, I can call it node, click on create, and here what I want a class name node, and this class will have an ID, a title, a description, and last but not least, created at. And I think that's it. Here we have an error because we have to implement this identifiable. So let's do that. And I think the error should go away, but nope, we have another error. And here we have this error because we have to initialize this, okay? So what we can do in order for this error to go away, what we can do after this created add, we can add something called init. So if I add this init, normally our error should go away, okay? And as you can see, the error went away, okay? So now here on this node row, what we can do, we want to remove this hard-coded value, okay? So what we can do here, every time we create a new node row, what we want to provide a node model, okay? And in order to do that, what we can do, we can simply come here and add this let node. And for the type, it's going to be of type node, okay? And yeah, instead of hard coding this on Daniel Hotel, what we want to do, we want to remove this and add node that title, okay? And we want to do the same thing for the description. So yeah, we want to remove this and add node that description. And of course, we will have an error here because here on the preview, we didn't add the node, okay? So what we can do here, we have to provide the node. So we can click on this fix. And here we want to create a new instance of node. So here I can simply say node. And for the title, I can do the same. I can tap on Daniel Hotel. Description, enjoy your stay. And for the date, an instance of date. And as you can see, everything looks exactly like before, but now we can change the title and we can also change the description or the date, okay? Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If that's the case, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.